brothers and sisters, we meet again. You up for some easy Grimdark Hazard Stripes? Well, here's what you'll need. Yellow, dark grey or black, and a selection of colours to match your surroundings. I've chosen this arrow recess on my current terrain project. If you missed the first video, here's a link. First base coat your area in white. You'll need a few coats. Now base in yellow. Again, a few coats. Now with your darkest colour, map out your stripes with dots. Do one side first, then practice the angle in mid-air and add the opposite side and middle. Now join the dots and fill the gaps. Don't worry about mistakes, we're going to town on chipping and grunge on these rascals. Also hit it with an all-over dark grey wash. Now this is dry, fill in the chipping more assertively and tidy up some edge spills as you go. Armed with a medium grey and then a light grey, heavily stipple on the dark areas and also a bit of the yellow. With the same technique but a little more sparsely, I'm hitting it with my other colours. For me this is dark brown, dark red and orangey brown. I'll add a few more patches to the surroundings as well to tie this in nicely. Now I'm going to gently attack it with an even lighter grey and also catch those edges to make this stand out. And we are done. Thank you for watching, I hope it was useful and I'll see you next time.